Have you ever wanted to build a fully functional e-commerce website, complete with an admin panel, dark mode, and live search, all inside just one single HTML file? No database setup, no complex backend, just pure HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am giving you a complete tour of NextShop, an incredible, responsive e-commerce store we built entirely from scratch. It saves data directly in your browser's local storage, making it the absolute perfect project for your portfolio. Let's dive in and see how it looks and works. First, let's talk about the design and features. The website has a clean, premium, modern UI. At the top, we have a sleek sticky header with our brand logo. Notice the navigation bar. We have a beautiful, smooth drop-down menu for our categories. You don't have to click, just hover over it, and it instantly reveals all our product categories with clean icons. But here is my absolute favorite feature, dark mode. Right next to the search bar, click this toggle, and the entire website instantly switches to a stunning, easy-on-the-eyes dark theme. And the best part, it remembers your choice even if you refresh the page. Scrolling down, you will see a fully responsive product grid. We already have 20 demo products loaded across different categories. Hover over any product, and you get this beautiful 3D lift effect, making the Buy Now button pop out. Now, let's look at the live search. There is no loading screen here. If I type Watch into the search bar, the products filter instantly in real time. You can also filter by clicking on any category from the drop-down menu. The page dynamically updates to show exactly what you want to see. It's incredibly fast and user-friendly. Alright, here's where the magic happens. How do you manage all these products? We have a built-in, hidden admin panel. To access it, you simply go to your website's URL address bar and type /admin at the very end. Because this is a single-page application, it instantly takes you to a secure login screen. By default, for this local project, the password is simply admin. I will type it in, hit Login securely, and boom, welcome to the NextShop admin dashboard. This admin panel gives you total control over the website. Let's break down the features. First, category management. Here you can add brand new categories, or click the edit and delete icons to manage existing ones. If you delete a category, all products inside it automatically move to uncategorized, so you never lose any data. Next is the product manager. Adding a product is super easy. Just enter a title, select a category from the drop-down, choose your currency symbol, set your price, paste an image link, and drop in a buy button link. Hit save, and it is instantly added to your live store. Finally, look at this powerful inventory table. You get amazing quick actions. You can view the exact image and details at a glance. You can edit the product to change the price or title. You can duplicate a similar product instantly with the copy button, or delete it completely if it is out of stock. All of this data is securely saved in your browser, meaning everything stays exactly as you left it, even if you close the tab. Once you are done managing your store, just click View Store at the top, and you are back on the beautiful homepage, fully updated with your new products. This single-file e-commerce project is a fantastic way to master HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and local storage. If you want the complete source code for this project, check the link in the description below. Now I am going to show you how to host it completely for free using Google Blogger and turn it into a profitable Amazon affiliate store. Let's get started. First, open Google, search for Blogger, and click on the official website. Click on New Blog. Let's give our store a nice title, and then carefully type in a custom URL for our new website. Once the blog is created, go to the options and turn off the navbar. We want this to look like a premium, professional e-commerce website, not. Don't forget to select first generation theme for single website coding. Edit HTML. Now, open the notepad file where we saved our custom e-commerce code. Copy the entire code and paste it directly into Blogger. Hit save. Now, let's view our blog. As you can see, the website design is live and looking fantastic, but the store is completely empty. There are no products yet. Let's fix that. Go up to your address bar and type #admin at the very end of your new URL. This instantly opens our hidden admin panel. Enter the default password, which is simply admin, and click OK. By the way, as a quick tip, you can easily change this admin password to anything you want. Just open your HTML code, find the password variable, and type your new secure password right there. Now, let's add our first real product. I am going to open my Amazon Associates account to grab an affiliate product. Let's choose these awesome wireless earbuds. First, I will copy the image URL of the earbuds from Amazon and paste it directly into the product image URL box in our admin panel. Then, I will type in the price and select the correct category for this item. Finally, the most important step, I will copy my special Amazon affiliate link for these earbuds and paste it right into the Buy Now button URL field. Hit Save Product. Let's preview the website now. Look at that. Our very first product card is perfectly displayed on our live website. When a customer clicks Buy Now, they will be redirected to Amazon with our affiliate link. To fill up the store quickly, I will go back to the admin panel and simply click the yellow Duplicate button 3 times. And just like that, we now have 4 beautiful product cards live on our site. Hosting your own custom affiliate store for free has never been this easy. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more amazing coding projects, and let me know in the comments what features you would like me to add next. Keep coding, and I will see you in the next video.